The Secret Garden by Joanna Basford, an inky treasure hunt and colouring book. Welcome to my inky world of secret gardens. Go on a ramble through the world of secret gardens created in beautifully detailed pen and ink illustration, all waiting to be brought to life through colouring, but each also sheltering all kinds of tiny creatures just waiting to be found. And there are also bits of the garden that still need to be completed by your hand for artists and gardeners of all age. So I've had this sitting in the sun, so it's got a bit of, it's been coloured here. So this is a secret garden. I was attracted to this because I love the book, The Secret Garden, the children's story. And this book is it's a cream colour with gold and black, and it just looks really lovely. You can see the sparkle of the gold here on the book. But if you open out the book, so you've not only got the book, the cover itself, let me show you the cover. Inside the cover there's a whole lot of colouring that you can do. It's a colouring book, and as she says, an adventure playground, because there are little things hidden that you have to find throughout the book. And then look at the cover itself. Again, if you wanted to, you could use that as a to colour in as well when you're sitting there with a moment. And it's really lovely done. There's so much detail, and at the front of the book it tells you of all the things that are hidden that you need to find, and at the end of the book it tells you exactly what can be found and in what picture. So as you go through, there's a variety of different images on each page. So like here in this particular page now, I found a ladybug, and if I go to the front of the book, let me see if that's even one of the, yeah, ladybug. There's 16 ladybirds, and I found one on this page. So it's nice that you're not only sitting, you're colouring, and it's quite a meditative action, but you're also engaged because you're looking for little things that you can find. There's a snail here, 2, 3, 4 snails on the page here amongst all the leaves and the owl. So I love all the imagery, and I love the spaces that are left for you to doodle and create more. It says on this page, it says create more caterpillars, chrysalis and butterflies. So you can take one of them that you've seen and make it bigger, do your own design as well. Like on this page it says add your own details in the flower. It's given you space to do that. And yeah, things that you've seen this page, it's got topori. You can create more shapes here. So it's full of detail, full of things that you can do, full of things. If you've got an art journal, you can, put some of the images in your art journal. You can use it as a background page. You can take some of the designs and create written pieces on your paper, and just have some of the areas where you've painted. It's a lovely book. I can, go on to a page like this, and if I didn't want to add more imagery, I can say journal. I can write about how I'm feeling when I look at the book or when I work in the book. Some really lovely drawn pieces. Some of them are quite small, so maybe what you can do if you have visual problems is to blow up some of the pages and then work on them. If you don't want to, say, work directly in this book, you can blow them up, and then you can work on the pages and still keep them. So it's a lovely book for artists and non-artists alike. Something to keep you engaged and creative.